Setting financial goals is crucial for saving, as knowing your objectives can provide the motivation to reach your target amount. Creating a budget helps you understand your income and expenses, allowing you to allocate funds effectively for necessities, savings, and discretionary spending. Being aware of upcoming expenses, like car registration or Christmas gifts, enables you to plan and save in advance, reducing financial stress. Reducing debt is essential for saving, as it frees up more income for savings and improves your long-term financial stability. Online savings accounts often offer higher interest rates than traditional accounts, allowing your money to grow faster. Bucketing your money involves splitting your income into different categories, such as travel, groceries, or emergencies, helping you stay on track with your budget. Automating your savings by setting up regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account can help you build wealth habits. Rewards programs associated with credit